In this video, we're going to do our first burn and season of our new Traeger Trailhead Wood pellet grill. I'm going to go through the manual here, take the steps, and show you how to do that. All right, we'll just take it out of our carrying case here. All right, just to be a little familiar with the controls, we got the display here and our controls in the front. And where it plugs in, we have an on-off switch back here. If we open the grill, I got my grease bucket, temperature probe for if you're cooking a meat and you want your thermometer, power inverter. It'll hook to your car battery. Hook this up. Then it gives you an AC plug to power up the pellet grill. Just adds that much versatility to it. Open our pellet hopper here. Make sure there's nothing in the auger. If we open this side, take our grill grate out. Take our grease pan out here. You'll see the burn pot. So in the burn pot, the pellets will come here from the pellet hopper, and it has an auger to transport the pellets here. And then there's an igniter in there to burn the pellets. So if we open the pellet hopper, like I say, you'll see that auger at the bottom. So when we're starting this grill, we want that auger to be full of pellets so that when the igniter comes on, you'll be able to ignite the pellets. So what that's called is priming the auger. Okay, we're going to go ahead, add some pellets to the hopper. Just like that. All right. Just take this plastic off the display there. We got pellets in the hopper. We'll plug this in. The plug has a little zip tie on there. I'm just going to cut that off. You can tell this is the initial burn on this one. All right, now we got it plugged in. Let's turn the main power switch on. Okay, if I understand correctly, when this is doing this, it's in standby mode. Now we want to push up and ignite simultaneously to prime that auger. Now it'll say pry, like it's priming. I can hear the auger start. Now when we start to get pellets dropping into the burn cup there, we're going to simultaneously push the up and the ignite again to stop the auger. I can see the auger, the end of the auger rotating here. Very slow rotation. Okay, I'm starting to get pellets coming out the end. So again, we're going to press and hold both that. There we go. The primer shut off. Now that our burn pot is primed here, we're going to put our grease tray back in. We'll put our grill grate back on. Just going to put the grease pot back here to catch anything that might come out. All right, now we're going to close our lid. Now we're going to start the grill. Press the center. Now that we got a display at 215 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to push the up arrow. We're going to bring that all the way up to 450. Now we're going to press the ignite button. There we go. Gives me the current temperature of 52 degrees. As this warms up, it's going to always give me, it's always going to display the temperature of what's inside the grill. Now we're going to run this for a minimum of 1/2 hour at 450 degrees. So once that reads 450, we're just going to put a timer on. And according to the manual, that should be enough to season the grill. You can go a little bit more if you're still smelling some factory oils or things like that, but hopefully after that, we're good to cook on this. Well, I hope this video helps you if you're looking how to season your Traeger Trailhead Wood pellet grill. Maybe next time you see this, we'll be doing our first cook. We'll see you on the next one.